Did you just what is what you yes? Did you whatever you I guess? The stalking horse.
2003, time my teeth, eat Oreos, God bless computer chess.
In the bags and I hit the shit they got in the cap and the man ain't ready to do the news. Got my hair cut 50 much though. If I'd only known that my hair had grown, if I'd only known that my hair had grown, only 5 centimeters until last cut Sunday, I would have gone to the internet cafe.
Yeah, today's playlist is a bit different from the usual. Yesterday when we were playing Space Engineers, I just found some random internet core, web core playlists, and they sounded pretty fine. So right now it's one of them playing. I don't know, half of the songs here are hit or miss, but I just hope I won't get copyrighted like the last time I played some playlist. Oh yeah, I will get copyrighted. I just look at the next song in the playlist, and it's 100 gigs. Yeah, I gotta find something else. What can we play actually? Hold on, I think I have an idea. I will make a playlist out of mixes of different other mixes. 1 second. So let's take fuck. My friend Pedro mix. Workout mix, yeah, we are mentally working out today. So let's save this to a playlist called Stream Workout Mix. And then let's add the Mother Russia Blitz. We can, yeah, let's add this. Let me actually show you what I'm doing. We are not doing Atomic Heart for sure. Here. Yeah, pretty cool channel. We got John Wick here, we got this thing here, Hot One Miami, and Super Pook. So it's about gamers, you know. Okay, let's take Katana Zero. I know it has a good OST. And then Dusk can do, I guess. Hotline Miami, why not? Maybe even Payday. Nah, I don't know about Payday though. Madness Project, nah. Cyberpunk. Because it's gonna be a surprise for me, I haven't played much of Cyberpunk, because I can't. Yeah, Undertale and Deltarune mix, of course. So I think we'll take these couple of playlists. It's gonna be a bunch for today. I won't be streaming for long today. I think I will do only like 2 hours. Because I got some stuff to do, but at least we're gonna be doing something interesting. Where do I copy the link? Oh yeah, because it's private, I can't. Hold on. Let's make it unlisted. Yeah, now I can share it. We cooking? Oh yeah, we cooking. Oh yeah, by the way, I gotta add a couple of songs from Katana Zero to my to my inspirational playlist for the game. Because yeah, Katana Zero got a bunch of cool tracks that I would like to take inspiration from. So, coming back to the actual game. What I've accomplished yesterday. I haven't worked much, but I did something relatively cool. And it's blood. You can see there were some blood splashes on the enemy. And this enemy has a million health, so I won't kill him actually. But you can kinda see the blood splashes in action. And for example, the player has bright red blood splashes. And the enemy has a lot darker blood splashes. I really like how they turned out. And they are kinda modular. Well, not much, but it's just that blood spawns depending on some parameters. For example, like there are big blood splashes and there are small blood splashes. So if you look at this is blood effect big. So yeah, this is the big blood effect. And we can see the small blood effect here. It looks like this. So this one is smaller. So I can't really see it from this zoom, but it is smaller. And how it works is if... hold on, where is it? I think it's on the hairbox component. Yeah, so for spawning blood we have parameters like... fuck, where is it? Oh, it's on the health component. So yeah, for spawning blood we have parameters like, well, position, angle, and in-out, big damage, and is critical. So in-out means, for example, this is in-out. It spawns in both ways, or not. Oh no, it's just in. Forgot to rename it. This is just the in blood effect, which spawns on one side. But if you take in-out, you can see that it spawns on both sides. So it's in-out is for the times when bullet penetrates through the enemy. Or through you, depending on who's shooting. So in-out is for penetrating, and it just calculates if the bullet that hit the enemy is the last one or not. And it just puts that into the in-out. Then we get, then we have big damage. Big damage is, it's pretty simple. It's just if the damage that have been dealt is greater than 35% of the maximum health of the enemy. So for example, if the enemy has 100 health and you shoot them with a gun that deals, let's say, 20 damage, well, that's 20% of the maximum health, and it's not considered a big damage. But if you shoot in the head, then it will get multiplied by 3, and then it will be greater than 35%, and it will be considered big damage. So that's how that works. And the last thing is critical. Is critical is basically if you did a headshot or not. And if you did do a headshot, no, if you didn't, if it's not a critical, then the alpha is 50%. It's 50% opaque. Then if you were to deal critical, it's 100% opaque, just so it will kinda look different from no headshots and no headshots. That's it for blood for now. I kinda like how it turned out. I will probably make a bunch more adjustments to it in the future, but for now I'm pretty happy with how it looks. And it was pretty simple to make too. So let's see, we take a pistol. Yeah, you can kinda see that when I shoot him in the body, yeah, when I shoot him in the body, the blood is not that visible, but when I shoot him in the head, it's you can take a good look at it. Same for him. And also the blood is big when I shoot him in the head, because it's a big damage. Grenades don't actually produce much blood, as they should. Do you see, that one haven't really even killed him. Melee weapons also produce blood, which I will have to change probably in the future, because it doesn't look really great. I mean, it looks fine, but it also always spawns at the front of the torso. I'm actually curious how it's gonna look like if I take damage, for example, from falling, because I haven't tested it yet. It will probably just spawn blood on my torso or something. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen if I fall from here. Yeah, it's just gonna spawn blood on my body. Which actually doesn't look that bad. It also spawns like facing upwards. And yeah, I think it looks pretty fine, just to tell that you got damaged. Because I thought for the times when you do take damage from falling, it would be something special. It would look somewhat special. But I guess this one looks fine too. I'll just complete the level for the last time. Spark lags for some reason. Yeah, I also have to work on environmental particle effects, like when you fall, when you hit stuff. Mostly just for materials. So for when you shoot in concrete, for when you're shooting metal, stuff like that. I really love how this lighting works. Now I'm gonna get shot. I'm gonna fight the motherfuckers. Wait, he's not gonna punch me? Oh, no, he's running away. No, he can punch me. Okay, now the gun is in my hands. Executed that guy. Yeah, okay. So that's that for blood effects. I got some stuff printed. Let's remove this shit. Hold on, I forgot to enable stream on my phone. Fuck. Discord is so laggy on mobile. Alright. Okay. BB. Yeah, it works. Alright. And I gotta up the stream quality because it looks like dog shit. Okay. So, what we were going to do today is blood decals. Because yesterday I did blood effects. Now we gotta do blood decals. And I already have an idea for blood decals on the walls. I watched yesterday a pretty interesting tutorial about it, where a guy basically he basically takes this particle effect and he just stops it at some point, and it's considered a wall blood. Welcome. This shit happens like every hour. Every hour something explodes. Yeah, you probably can hear the fucking car alarms going off. So yeah, we spawn this blood effect and then we just stop it at some point, and that's how blood decaling on walls will work. Okay, godot blood effect tutorial. Let me find it. I think it was this one.
No, blood in games, it's pretty cool. I mean,
Yeah,
it
it's
makes
pretty
the game
cool.
a lot more fun. So let's figure out how we can do this effect. We're gonna turn on auto start and process in this internal process, unhandled input and unhandled key input. Now this will make sure that everything in this particle effect, everything here, all the processes will get turned off, and all it will be doing is
He's doing
save
it
this now as blood.tscn.
through
Now go to your
particles,
enemy or
I mean
whatever
through timers.
the player's gonna be killing, and we're gonna make and we can shoot the enemies and they die and the blood particle gets
Yeah, but
pause.
I wanna make it smoother because yeah, it's too linear for me. Okay, what if we actually take let's take the big in. Blood effect big in. And let's duplicate it. Blood decal big in. So this is gonna be a blood decal. And this one is gonna be one shot too, but what if I increased its lifetime? Now it works like this. Yeah, this looks fine. I love how far away the blood flies away. I always wanted to make this type of blood in my game that goes really far. Okay. Actually, hold on. I just want to test something. Blood small. Well, blood effect big enough. What if I set the blood FPS to 24, for example? Because in editor it looks like this, but I wonder how it's gonna actually feel in game. Just some polishing, some stylistic stuff I wanna try. don't know. Can't really see it. I don't think there's a point in making it 24 FPS. I like 50 though. So okay, blood decal big in. I think what I need to do is work on dampening. So let's start with the strong cone in. It's this thing, the initial blood squirt, whatever. So damping. We made it like this. Let's make it repeat always. Okay, let's make a curve, and it's gonna start this like this. Oh god, what happens to its scale? Max value. What? Goddamn. Hold on. New curve. What happens to the scale of it? Scale. It's not because of this. It's not because of this. Oh wait. Is it because of this? No, I have no clue why it does that. What? Pass? Just as soon as I enable dumping, it does this thing, and also it. By the way, I gotta remove the color ramp, so it always. I mean, I gotta make it full transparent so it doesn't disappear, but why is it doing this? Like, hold on. It looks like Stalker Psy field. Where can I see this? Fuck. Hold on, Stalker Red Lasers. No. Shadow of Chernobyl. Fuck, I can't show you. So in Stalker there are like these Psy little anomaly spots where there are a bunch of red lasers going from the ground to the sky, and it literally looks like this. Why is it doing this? Maybe it's because of the scale, I don't know. No, now it's doing it every time. What if I make it 20? Still happening. Oh my god. Maybe it's because of the particle flux. Maybe it's because of line. Why? Well, it's not happening now. And dampening actually kind of works now. Guess it was happening because of this. But I wanna keep it because it looks cool. Fuck. Well. Even if I stop changing the scale, align Y will break it. Yeah, it fucking breaks it. Why? This is another time when I remember Unity being better about this. Unity had a much more robust particle system. You could make almost any effect with it. Linear acceleration, radial acceleration. What does actually linear acceleration do? I have no clue. Did it change anything? Oh, it didn't. Haven't changed anything. Dumping, dumping, dumping. So we gotta have a curve. Something like this. Fuck, but I wanna use align Y, but it just... Look at this shit. Scale is right. Oh, maybe it's because the scale here is wrong. No, it still does this shit. Fuck. How do I make it the way I want it to? Guess I can just use 256 and use some arbitrary sprite for this. Like for example, I got some sprites here. Sprites, yeah, smoke random. Yeah, it looks like crap. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but it's not something I was looking for. I don't know, maybe if I use a sprite of some sorts. Like... let's say... I'm just gonna open Paint for this thing. Let's just make a... Oh, no, fuck, I forgot. Paint net I need. Not this paint. Paint, motherfucking net. Нет. Resize. Let's make, I don't know, like 16 by 16, 8 by 8 even sprite. And this one is gonna be called spot random. Yeah, something like this. And we're gonna make some of the edges a bit transparent. Yeah, just like this. And let's make a couple more. So 1 and 2. Oh, and now, now that I look at these blood particles and how they're gonna look in the game, it reminds me of how blood works in Hotline Miami. If you look at blood in Hotline Miami, it works pretty much the same way. Yeah, it's just some blood spots textures that shoot out like this and then stop. With random textures, like the ones I'm drawing right now. I think if I'll have like 3 of these shooting out at the same time, it's gonna look pretty fine. And also if I make the sprite scale, like, yeah, if it's gonna change the scale on time. Okay, Ctrl S, assets, sprites, effects, split random 1. We're gonna call it this. Ctrl S, split random 2. Okay. Godot, don't freeze on me. Okay, split random 1. Now I really gotta change the scale. 1, 2, 5. Okay, this looks a bit better. Let's do like 7. Maybe. Okay, let's make another one, but hold on. I gotta make sure they shoot out at the same time. But this one is gonna use a different texture. And this one is gonna use another texture. Also, both of them need angular velocity, I guess. Damn, this looks pretty cloudy. I kinda liked it. Yeah, they gotta have angular velocity, and also they gotta have a different angle every time. So the velocity gotta drop with time. Alright. Maybe some different spreads. Damn, this looks actually fine. Okay, I like this part. I would just want for some of the sprites to stop a bit earlier. I don't know how would I make it, but I think I would just change the lifetime and connect it to another function which does this thing. When the blood effect finishes, it will do all of this. So process falls, at physics process falls, so it just renders and nothing else.
Accordingly, use our scene, and we can shoot the enemies.
So yeah, it will just do this, and I will change the lifetimes for particles. Now let's try out another thing. Weak splash. Hold on. Oh fuck. Now that I look at the size of this thing, I think it's too big. I think it's too fucking big. Okay, let's change the scale. And maybe the lifetime also, 0.5. Yeah, because if this is this size, then the lifetime of that thing it's supposed to be So I think I gotta lower the gravity a bit. Yeah, like that. Maybe on some of them I will have stronger gravity, like 100, 200. Yeah. And maybe this one will have no gravity at all. Oh yeah. This looks fucking awesome. Okay. What about the lifetime? Lifetime 0.5. Okay, let's change the 0.5 to everyone and make them not one shot and make them emitting. Oh yeah, the blood effect is going to be... It's gonna be fucking everywhere, and I liked it. I like it. I always envisioned that in my game I will have like a shit ton of blood, like Hotline Miami, ridiculously ridiculous amount of blood. If you look at it, Hotline Miami doesn't have that much blood. But the times when you, for example, I know, shoot an enemy with a shotgun, the blood just fucking flies through the whole room, like that kind of amount. I don't know, I just want a lot of blood in my game. Okay, let me actually see it in scale. Blood decal big in. And for example, it's gonna fly out from this enemy, and yeah, this size, I think for it being big, I think it's pretty much the size I want it to be. It's gonna be big. No, actually, I don't think there's any reason to leave smoke on the walls. It's just gonna be this. Let me actually amp the spread a bit then. It's also cool that it has gravity because it can do stuff like this. I can't really see it because there's not much gravity, but yeah, I think I gotta apply gravity to all of them, or at least 900. Yeah, you can see that it kind of falls. What if I change the initial velocity a bit? To make it less. Maybe on just one of them I will have a shit ton of velocity. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, I guess this can do. I gotta work on damping though. It needs to be much smoother. Oh, this actually looks fine, I guess. Maybe if I change it to this kind of easing. Yeah, this looks more like blood. Now if I rotate it. Weak splash in. So for this one, if I enable damping again, it's gonna kill itself, right? Yep, it does this thing again. Okay. Particle flags. So I guess we gotta work with images again. And remove this. Oh, it's already removed. It just gets darker with time. Okay, let's add what random to it. What if I added smoke? Oh, smoke looks too large. Is the scale right? Why is it so fucking big? From 0 to 1. Oh yeah, because I changed this one. And also I gotta change the angle. And maybe also angular velocity. That has to drop with time. Doesn't look like it drops actually. Velocity curve. Each particle's angular velocity will vary along this curve. I think I'll just stick to angles. Now about scale. I always like to use this kind of curve. Now that I think of it, actually, I hope I didn't fuck up any of these effects while I was doing it. No, it doesn't look like I did. Okay. Where was it? Initial, no, not initial velocity. Fuck. I'm lost. Scale. No. Oh yes, what am I trying to do actually? No, I think I'm done with it. Oh, yeah, I wasn't looking in the right spot, but yeah, I think I'm done with this. I gotta increase the particle amount. Oh yeah, I remembered. I gotta change this not to 0, but to this. So it kinda stays. Yeah, so now it stays. Now I would just add another one. With a different sprite. Maybe this one will have a bit more initial velocity. Just imagine shooting the enemy and just a lot of these blood decals spawn. I think it's gonna look epic. Okay, Now I gotta make a new script for this. And we're gonna call it blood decal BG. Because I think for walls I will use a different principle. So blood decal big in class name blood decal BG. How this is gonna work? So first of all we gotta stop the decals. Func stop particles, and we have to the emitter CPU particles 2D. And what was that guy doing? He was just doing all of this. So emitter dot set process to false, emitter set physics process to false, set process input to false. I don't know why you have to disable input, but okay. Emitter set process internal to false. I hope all of this will still allow me to delete the particle later. Emitter set process unhandled input to false. Why you gotta change the input? Handled key input. Okay. Now at ready we gotta for emitter type of CPU particle 2D get children. We gotta subscribe all of them, connect all of them to this signal. So it's gonna be emitter dot it's finished dot connect to stop particles and bind the emitter itself. So once an emitter finishes, it does this, it stops the particle. Now if I do one shot, will it still allow me to stop it? Let's see. I don't know how would I test it, but yeah, let's see, for example, blood decal in here. Fuck it, I don't know, let's just func input if input dot is action just pressed alt fire, for example. We're just gonna fire every emitter. No, actually, yeah, I gotta add func fire. So for emitter, I'm just gonna copy it from the blood effect. So here. For particle, in get children, particle emitting to I'm just gonna fire. Okay, let's see. Hope it works. And it just oops. Guess. Hold on, didn't I make it one shot? Why is it looping? Hold on. Time. It is one shot. Then why is it repeating itself? effect. Oh, it has the blood effect script. Fuck. Blood decal. GG. Well, wait. What? No, it's blood effect small. What am I doing? Oh fuck, What effect? That's the wrong scene. Not blood effect big. Not the health component. Oh, for fuck's sake. Control Shift O. Blood decal. Here, I gotta enable one shot here. Okay. Let's see now. It just disappears. Print emitter come. Let's just print emitter. Oh, it works, but it still disappears. Okay, what if we, instead of connecting the finished thing, we're just gonna make a timer for each one, everyone. Okay, let's remove this one. And for example, get 3 dot create timer, and the time is gonna be emit particle dot lifetime minus 0. Well, it's already, I think it's 0.5, yeah? So let's make it minus 0.05. So it's gonna be a bit less than the actual lifetime. Particle lifetime, create timer, dot timeout, dot connect to stop particles. And we're gonna bind the particle effect. So we're gonna create the timer, and I think creating it also starts it. Yeah, it immediately starts it. Okay, let's see. Maybe this will work. Boom. Alright, this works. It's just that there's not much blood left after that. Maybe let's not change the scale that much. Just keep it like this. I guess this works, but it's still not a lot. Okay, let's change it to minus 0.1. Oh yeah, I think this works. Still, a lot of effects are just lost. I don't know why. Maybe I just gotta change the minimal scale. And also maybe I gotta do this. Oh, this one has 0 spread. And the music stopped. Oh, we got Dusk OST now. Cool. Actually rotate it. How it's gonna look. I think the cones have to have a bit more gravity. Even more gravity. So let's say this one is gonna have a lot more spread, but yeah, I think making more gravity doesn't make it better, essentially. Guess I like it now. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Boom. Oh yeah, this looks a lot better, I think. I would also want to add a decay timer, like in CSGO, the blood. With enough time, I think it's a minute or something. Well, in CSGO it's a lot faster, it becomes darker and... it becomes darker and a bit more transparent. Godot, how to LORP over time. I think I can use ChatGPT for that. In Godot there is a LORP function. How can I LORP during a certain number of seconds? Also I gotta close the window because it's getting fucking cold in here. So it's true it doesn't exceed 1. Lurk duration 2 seconds. So what do we do with it? It's just... so it's delta target value t. So it's delta divided by lurk duration. Twin. Oh, right. I forgot about twins. How do twins work? Float playback speed. I gotta watch a quick Godot twinning tutorial. Twin tutorial. By the way, is the blood effect does it stay on top of objects or what? Okay. Let me see. So it really is just on the walls. I see. Okay, I see now. I forgot that blood should only stay on the walls and not... You can see here, if I shoot it again, it stays all the way up there. How do I check for it to be not outside? Guess I could do a mask of some sorts. Yeah, I think I can probably make a mask. Let's see, level, let's create a tile map node. That is gonna be BG mask tile map. So this tile map will copy the backgrounds. Tile set. Let's just select the dev tile set. We don't need anything specific. And layer, there's just gonna be one layer, mask. It's gonna be called mask. Even mask. Yes, here, clip children. Clip and clip only. So we're gonna use this for clipping. So maybe I need to draw it first. So then let's get this and probably make it this color. So I can just draw everywhere where there needs to be blood. I don't know why I don't have it here. B, D, okay. Yep, okay. Oh, maybe also here. On the pylons. They can be considered background. Okay. So this will be the mask and clip only. Well, we're gonna hide it for now. And let's try to add the blood decal big inside of it. See what's gonna happen. Right click, and this thing has collision. I forgot it has collision. Can I disable them somehow? Where's I don't think I can. Fuck. Okay, then let's create a entirely. Let's just make it unique. And in the tile set options, let's just remove the collisions. So this tile set and physics layers, there aren't gonna be any. And this fucking broke everything else. Cool. I just love when it does this. This is my favorite thing about Godot. Oh my fucking god. No, cancel, don't save. Just... It always breaks the entire fucking engine when you duplicate tile sets. Pathfinding test it was. And yeah, it's just fucking broken now. What if I... quick load. The tile set. Yeah, just completely fucking broken. No, should I... Fuck's sake, dev tile set. Yes, and it's broken here now too. What if I reload current project? It's still fucking broken. Okay, I just gotta do the entire thing all over again. Epic. Oh no, hold on, it doesn't have a tile set. Dev tile set. Oh, thank god. It works again. Okay, for BG mask tile map, let's not copy existing tile set, let's just put this. Let's just add the darkness tile map to it. BG mask tile map. Let's just add a new tile set. Add the fucking darkness tile map to it. And make it like this. Is it working? Not really. Hold on. 32 by 32. Okay. Like that. And it also has the same layer value as backgrounds, I think. Let's see, tile map. BG is on the layer -2, so let's make it also on the layer -2. -2. Oh, no, let's not make that, but this on the layer -2. Yeah, so now just gonna hide it and see how it works. Bam. I don't see a single shit. Oh yeah, because of the modulate. Alright. I can modulate this. What? Ah, yeah, I know. And it doesn't work. For fuck's sake. He just spewed fucking confetti at me. It doesn't clip. Fuck. Why doesn't it clip the children? Clip and draw. Maybe I need to have it drawn or something. No, it just doesn't fucking work. Navigation enabled. Oh. Fuck. Godot, how to mask using tile maps. Не автotile, no, not автotile. Tile maps as sprite masks. I think better approach is to use canvas item shader and draw the texture in world space like so. The shader will only care about the alpha in your tiles, drawing the background texture where tiles are visible. And this one is shader material and attach it to individual tiles in your tile set. But it just masks the whole fucking world. I don't think this will work. 128, oh, I mean 64 by 64. Fuck. Do I really have to dwell into shaders just to mask some stuff? Okay, 32 by 32, red, green, green, what's your problem? Blue. Let's see. So I gotta use it on the tiles rendering option, okay. Let me then just remove this and add a disk RGB. And what? He was just... Is it godot 3? Yeah, I think it's godot 3, or not actually. Okay, let's use blue for this. Rendering material, let's... Yeah, I don't see any clipping, any masking, okay. New shader material, for example, or canvas material, rather. Canvas item material. Or shader material. Shader, new shader. Shaders. Tile map. Mask shader. I really doubt this will work the way I want it to. And what now? I just use this to draw. Okay, let's first of all remove all of this and select blue to draw. I don't see it. I don't fucking see it in the game. Canvas item shader and draw the texture in world space like so. Shader will only care about the alpha in your tiles and drawing the background texture where tiles are visible. You can put this on the shader material and attach it to individual tiles in your tiles. And you can have different versions of the material for different textures. If you like, you can use the color RGB from texture. Comes from straight from the tiles set to tint or do other manipulations to your resulting world space texture color. Okay, now it's white. Now it's just white. He was saying something about... If you really just want to render what's behind it though, then instead of world space textures, you could try using a sampler 2D with hint screen texture and screen UV. Hint screen texture and screen UV. Hint screen texture. I don't think this works the way I want it to, at least. I mean, it's doing something. What if I just move this around? Why? What is it doing? What is that? What is that? Pass? Oh yeah, I think because I didn't I didn't provide it UVs of any sort, so now it's doing this weird shit. How would I provide UVs to this though? Yeah, it's just weird like that. I think it draws the background core. Screen UV. Texture UV. Screen UV. What about screen UV? Doesn't change anything about it. It's still... What about texture world space? Fuck, I really don't know much about shaders. And it still just doesn't work. It still doesn't do the stuff I wanted to. Let me actually make this emitting all the time so I can at least see if it works. Well, at least shaders work all the time. I don't have to start the game for them to work. But yeah, it just doesn't mask anything. I would also want to probably use collision with blood decals so they won't fly away from the wall. Is it possible? Collision. Physics. Fuck, I remember there was a way to use physics. Animation process. Gravity. No. Ah, whatever. We gotta figure out the shader stuff first. Well, maybe I have to... Maybe I have to use this shader, I don't know. I have no fucking clue how shaders work. Well, I have some tiny amount of clue how they work, but... Okay. Let's put it on every single tile. Does drawing with different tiles actually change anything? I don't think it does. If I change it to... Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. I have this shader code that's supposed to mask everything that's behind the the tile set texture. No, the supposed behind it. It's applied on the tiles of a tile set in Godot. How can I use hint screen texture and screen UV to make it mask only what's behind behind the only what's under the tile set and not mask the entire world. this is the shader code. Modify the provided shader code to mask only what's under the tile set and not the entire world. You can use screen UV and hence screen texture to sample the screen texture only where the tile set is down. Here's how you can do it. Remove the world space varying since we are no longer calculating it. Use screen UV directly for sampling the world textures instead of calculating world space. Or just copy this and see if it works. Shader editor. Boom. Control S. What? Oh, screen UV does exist. It doesn't do jack shit. Fuck. Do I really have to use fucking shaders for this? Thank you for the answers. Fuck. Okay, let's ask another question. Forget all of that. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Okay. Can you please play? Okay. So forget all of that. In Godot, I want to use a tile map as a mask for nodes that are inside, that are children to it. How can I accomplish such goal? I wrote accomplish wrong. Children. There's a tile map as a mask for nodes. There are children that are children to it. In Godot, you can utilize the tile set and its collision shapes. Here's the step-by-step guide to achieve this. Create a tile map. First create a tile map. Design your mask. Okay. Set collision shapes. In the tile set associated with your tile map, define collision shapes for the tiles. You can do this by selecting. Do I really have to use collision shapes? And add nodes to be masked. What? Add collision shapes? And collision shapes for the tile set. You can do this by selecting each tile and setting up the collision shape in the tile set editor. Collision shape of what? Physics layer of what? I mean, I can paint the physics. It's not it, but modulate. Texture origin. Fuck, first of all, let me remove the material from it. Leave. Welcome to the club. The fuck am I supposed to modulate? Well, I can modulate each tile individually, but terrains? The fuck am I supposed to paint? Add nodes to be masked. Add the nodes you want to be masked as shown on the tile map. Node ensure that these nodes have their mask property set to expand. Huh? Set the mask property to use as mask. Property determines whether the node will be used as mask or be affected by masks. I think it's talking about clipping, because it's godot in godot 3.0. Collision visibility mode, navigation visibility mode. Fuck, I have no clue about what collision it's talking about, but here this is. Clip children only. Parent is used for the purposes of clipping only. Child is clipped to the parent's visible area. Parent is not drawn. You can perfectly see that it changes nothing. Is it supposed to work like that? Godot clip children doesn't work on tile maps. Clip only doesn't work with tile map. Tile maps cannot clip. The map uses internal canvas items which affects some rendering features. It's a duplicate. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Well, duplicate, cool, can you fucking fix this? How long was it? Yeah, it's almost a fucking year ago. Closed? What the fuck is... Oh, it's closed because it's duplicated. And this thing is still open. Yeah, epic. Epic. Mask. Like if it had any masks. Mask. It only has a white masks. White mask parameter. Fuck. Like, why is it always so hard to do this stuff? I just want to mask this thing. How can I do this using a shader that would only draw what's behind the tile map? Видишь shader material, ага. Напишите shader, write a shader, yeah. Apply the shader material. Mineral pieces that are not masked by the stencil buffer. Just discard. Is it that easy? What? Fuck, I really gotta learn the shading language. Because it's universal, I can use it wherever. Okay, let's try it on the blue tile. Okay, rendering material quick load. I mean new shader material. Shader itself, we're gonna use time up mask shader. Unknown identifier expression gel for accord. Godot, can you help me? I mean... it gives me an error. Unknown identifier of record. My apologies for the confusion. Render your scene to a separate text. Oh yeah, I'm not doing that. It's... Holy fuck, I hate doing that. You will need to render the entire scene to a texture. Can you do this using a viewport node? Oh no, I'm not doing fucking viewport nodes. With its render target flip property set to true. Yeah, it's not happening. I'm not using that. The shader will load the scene behind the tile map, where the tiles are transparent and discard. Yeah. You know why I'm not doing that? Because viewports don't follow the camera, and I already have trauma trying to use viewports for fucking hold on, let me actually change something. Angular velocity. I have trauma from working with viewports when I was trying to accomplish light masking. It was... fuck, it's a whole another rabbit hole, which requires a shit ton of work, which I don't want to use. What if I don't want to use a viewport node? Then kill yourself. Prefer not to use a viewport node to render the scene. Searching can still achieve a similar effect by rendering the scene to a texture manually in your GG script code and then passing them. I'm not doing that. What if I don't want to render a screen texture at all? Can't I just use... What was that guy suggesting? He was suggesting hint screen texture and screen UV instead. Turn the scene to a separate texture and instead to a screen UV directly with your shader. You can do so, however you would need to handle the logic of checking whether pixels behind the tile map are not based on its coordinates. Here's how can you modify your shader to achieve this. Scene texture is a texture representing the scene which you would pass to the shader from the GG script. Motherfucker, I just said I don't want to render a scene texture. Come up alpha threshold is a new parameter. While you go, which the pixels considered to be behind the tile map, you can just... Oh, for fuck's sake. Can I somehow get this texture from a script that would be attached to the main camera? From script attached to the main camera in godot. Here's how you can do it. Accessing the screen texture, you can use the get texture method on the viewport's render texture. Fuck, let's try it. Let's actually try it. Should the camera 3D has a shader material assigned? It doesn't have a shader material assigned. Does it need to have a shader material? Should the camera 3 has a shader material assigned? If not, we create. Do I have to add a shader material to the camera? Fuck, I don't think I do actually. I think I can just use get viewport get texture and then just use that for fuck, this is so scuffed. Scripts miscellaneous. Let's make a script called viewport holder. Viewport holder. This one is gonna be after load. Fuck, what am I doing? Scripts miscellaneous viewport holder. Add. Okay, and here we're gonna have just there's gonna be a texture 2D, I guess, right? Retrieve the viewport's render target texture and return its texture. So if I load the main camera, hold on, let me actually close everything else. Control Alt O. Main camera movement controller here. Let me actually the process function. I got physics process right here. I just want the regular process. So process var viewport texture equals get viewport. Guess you can just do it. Get texture, right? Get viewport. What does get viewport return? It returns the node's viewport. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, get viewport, get texture. It returns a viewport texture. This is what I need. So var viewport texture equal type of viewport texture, and we're just gonna make it so like viewport holder dot viewport texture equals get viewport get texture. This is so fucking scuffed. Holy fuck. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna work, and if it's gonna work relatively perfectly, I think I'm just gonna stick to this. So, turning back to pathfinding test, let's just use, let's add a canvas material on the tile map as a whole. So this is what we'll use. The shader samples, make sure you set the tile map alpha texture parameter or property based on the alpha values with the tile map texture that represents transparency. Where should I put this texture? Where should I put this shader? On the tile map node or on the tiles set tiles? To the tile map node itself. By doing so, you ensure that the shader logic is applied to every tile on the tile map. Okay, let's do that, I guess. So these ones are gonna be empty. Clear. Okay. So we are applying it to this canvas item material. Oh no, I mean new shader material, and then shader quick load tile map mask shader. So we just do this. Special valid type hint after. Hint textures, hint screen texture. Shader parameters. Tile map alpha threshold. Texture hint black alpha. Black. In default black maybe. So this has to be a scene texture. where would I get it from? Fuck it, let's add a script, I don't know. Scripts miscellaneous. Tile, I mean viewport masker.gd. Create. Okay, and let's say we gotta so material dot var ready var font process, I guess. Process material dot set shader param shader. Fuck, how do I set shader param? Set shader parameter. Yeah, there is a method like that. Okay. Set shader parameter scene texture, and we are using a scene texture. Yeah, so we gotta set this parameter with a viewport holder dot viewport texture. I will fucking kill myself if this works. I really don't have great hopes for this. Okay, let's see. Maybe I need to tweak some stuff. So in the remote level G mask tile map, but decal big in. Okay, does it set the screen? Does it actually have anything? Does it actually have the fucking texture? It does. It does have a texture. Okay then. I know, let's change the threshold. Doesn't do anything. It doesn't work. Oh, for fuck's sake. I think I have to find another way. Dot how to mask. How to mask. You can mask using mask rectangular area.
And the quick way to do this is our verticals or my visuals as a child of this control node. And then I'm going to select the control node and I'm going to go down to rect here. And then I'm going to click clip content. And
oh, he's using particles, by the way. Fuck, maybe I have to change this to polygon 2D, I don't know. And remove this shit and this. And I don't know, let's for example just say I want this part to render. Right? And it works, and it just works. Fuck. So I guess now I have to just using a grid set all of this. For fuck's sake. I can actually add another polygon to it. Copy value. Vect vector to array. Paste value. What? Look, I want to have multiple polygons. Oh wait, I can? No, I can't. Fuck. How do I fucking do this? Because I know most of my... will surely have maps that are not connected to each other. The way to mask a sprite. What 2D in mask? No, no, fuck that. Shader for the mask object, fuck that. Back buffer copy with both sprites inside this way. All you have to do is give the mask node a shader and it's onto the screen touch. Well, I guess this method works. Is that just how do I make multiple polygons inside one? Godot polygon 2D. How to have multiple polygons.
In this video, I'm showing you how to use the Polygon 2D, Collision Polygon 2D, Align 2D, and Path 2D nodes to help you Collision Polygon 2D. Using circles by hand is super painful. You duplicate the polygon and click on invert. Then you play with the size of the invert to create the borders or walls. This doesn't work with more complex shapes, but thankfully it's super easy to create borders using a line 2D. You can plug the polygon 2D.polygon into the points of the line 2D and then choose the style you want using the color and width of the line 2D. Both on the polygon and the line, you can use textures. Don't forget to set them to
How do I have multiple of them? All int array elements. This is too fucking complex. I just want to have a mask for everything. Holy fucking shit, why is it so hard? Just want to mask this. Oh my god. Well, I guess I can just do something scuffed like this. Which does work, but It's a fucking pain to create with it. Fuck, what the fuck am I doing right now? Ah, fuck, I guess I can just do this. Or you know what, I don't have to be specific like that. So for example, for this bottom room I could just mask. I don't have to mask specifically all the background, I can just mask approximately. Yeah, I guess it makes life easier to some extent. For example, like that. Fuck. It just magically stopped working. Cool. What? It just literally stopped working. All of a sudden. Did I break? I think I broke the polygon. Oh my god, I fucking hate this. Is it really that hard to just use a tile map to mask every fucking thing? I fall into this masking rabbit hole once again. Why is it so hard to do masks in Godot? Okay, let's return back. What is geofrag core? Geofrag core Godot. Addition material should be to the nodes you want to mask. To the nodes I want to mask. Maybe I want. Let's return back to this code. Do I have to apply the shader to the masking object that is supposed to the time up that is supposed to mask everything? Work as a mask. No, the shader you provided there is discarding all pixels regardless of whether they're behind the tile map or not. Discarding all fragments because both branches of your if statement ended discard. To use the tile map as a mask, you need to modify the shader check. Either each fragment is behind the tile map, and we're returning back to fucking skinny with. Okay, and only discard the fragments that are not behind it. Here is how we can modify the shader. Okay, let's see. Shader, quick load, tile map, mask shader. Ctrl V. What? What? It only draws what's on the screen and it's... What? Oh my god, this is so scuffed. Holy shit. And it only works on the... God, what the fuck is this? This shader doesn't work as I want to. What I want is for the tile map to act as a mask for nodes that are behind it. In this instance for particles that are children to this node. It gets so hot. Do I have to use screen textures again? Mask texture, I want to kill myself. Got it. So should refer to the tile map as a mask for nodes such as particles that are behind it. You need to place slightly different approach. Instead of discarding fragments based on the presence of tiles in the tile map, you should use the tile map's alpha value to determine how much of the enclosed code. Yeah, why can't I just use alpha of the tiles? Like, if the alpha is 1, then draw. If alpha is 0, no, don't draw. Here's how you can verify should it achieve that. Hint black alpha. You sample the alpha value of the mask texture, which is your tile map, at the current fragment's position using screen review. Okay. The color is confirmed by the alpha value of the mask texture. This effectively binds the fragment color with the mask. How many trials and errors will I have to go through with this fucking thing? Godot hint black. Godot hint black alpha. Godot, it's a Ukrainian Godot. Transparency initial of the edge is by hint black alpha. Rename hint albedo for RGB. Hint black alpha. What does hint black alpha mean? Maybe I can just find a replacement for it, because I think it's just a naming issue. Hint black alpha is a hint provided Godot shader compiler which specifies the expected content. Specifically, hint black alpha suggests that the texture associated with the mask texture uniform is expected to have a black as the most common color, and alpha channel will with the default value of 1 fully opaque. So I can just... Can I replace it with a color hint that just with a with color values instead? Like color 1111, for example. Yes, you can replace color 101 if you, so it would be hint white. So I guess it's just hint black. Hint black, default black. What does default black stand for? Expected constant. Sorry. It's pretty much the same thing. god. Sampled alpha value of the mask texture multiplied from this alpha by the mask alpha. It masks the fucking screen contents. Fuck, do I need to just go back? Can I just repeat the question until it gets it right? Oh, it's struggling now. Tile map alpha, texture screen UV, discard fragments that are in front of the tile map. Pass through fragments that are behind the tile map. I don't think that's how it works. I was just hidden. I was just fucking hidden. It doesn't clip anything that's behind it. Maybe I have to change this. Oh. No, it does nothing. Oh my god, I wanna kill myself. Top level animals, show behind parent. Clip children, clip and draw, clip only. It just doesn't work. Godot tile map shader that masks nodes inside of it. Find the tile maps and shaders. How can you use the tile map as a mask? This guy has no answers. 2D shaders in Godot. Tile map mask shader. Shader to take tile map as a mask. Oh, this is something new. Yeah, this is what I want. Cool. The guy has no fucking response. I guess nobody has a single fucking clue how to do this. Mask a single texture along tile map. Use the tile map as a mask, shader mask invited mask, do not click tile map. Shaders and animate tile map shading per tile. The mask to denote. Fuck. Okay, let's not specify a tile map. It's just Godot simple dimple mask shader. Godot 2D texture mask tutorial. It's just gonna tell me how to use clip children, right? Oh, it's using shaders, okay.
Alright, now then I need to bring in my mask. So that's
Is it Godot?
uniform.
Is Godot
And I'm
2?
just gonna name it mask.
Oh, it's 7 years ago.
And we're gonna do
What's gonna be the...
a vector operator. Right here.
Oh, he's using a fucking texture again. The texture mask share to simply mask part of a sprite. I fucking hate this. What else can I use to just fuck? I see that clip children works, for example, with Polygon 2D, but I don't want to draw a shit ton of polygons. Canvas group, canvas modulate, mesh instance, multi-mesh instance. Back buffer copy. Node that copies the region of the screen to a buffer for access and shader code. This is cool. I don't think I will be using it though. Okay, camera 2D, collision polygon joint marker. door to D. Mesh, navigation, parallax layer. Path, polygon. Ripka, sprite to D, tail map, touchscreen button. Room hider. Fuck, I think I can use another thing. What if I sampled the tile map? So I just like took a screenshot of the tile map and applied it to a texture and used that as a mask. What if I did that? Interesting. Let's actually try and do that. Okay, let's try something else. How can I use the tile map to capture a texture of it? The places where tiles are placed will be white and with full alpha, and others will be 0 alpha. Take that texture and apply it onto a sprite 2D and use that to sprite 2D. Oh, because if I will be able to just put some sort of a texture on the sprite 2D, then it will work. So for example, if I just take, for example, a random sprite 2D, oh, fuck's sake, the fucking sun is killing me. Okay, if I take a random sprite 2D, let's say, I don't know, quick load, a fucking muzzle flash smoke, let's say, and put a blood decal inside of it. Let me actually reset its position. Yeah, you see how it shoots out. And if I enable clipping, clip children, clip only. Oh, it doesn't work because the texture is almost transparent. Let's take something better. Or just spot random one. Yeah, you see, it works. It clips. It even works with alpha. So if I just provide a texture to the sprite, then I think I can clip stuff. So let me reset the position and remove the texture for now. Return it to its original position. Okay. So, achieve this effect, you can use a shader to render the tile map to a texture where the places where tiles are placed are white with full alpha and others have 0 alpha. Create a shader to render the tile map to texture. First, create a shader that renders the tile map to a texture where the areas and the tiles have white color and full alpha. 0 alpha. Here's the shader code for example. So the tile map texture is black. Then just sample the alpha value of the tile map texture, flow tile map alpha texture, tile map texture, screen V to the output. The output color to white with alpha if there is a tile. If tile map alpha greater than 0, the output to transparent otherwise. Oh, so it's just gonna... Okay, let's try that. mask shape. And it doesn't do that. Oh yeah, because him black alpha. Black. In default black. Oh, okay, it works. Now how they... So in sprite I just var tile map texture, get null tile map, dot get texture. Get texture method to get the texture from the tile map. Okay, so it just works like that. And then texture equals tile map texture. Okay. Let's add that script I was talking about, quick load. Mask, viewport masker. And let's say func ready. Texture. Oh, it extends sprite 2D now. Texture equals get parent dot get texture. Is it just as simple as that? F5. Valid call, non-existent function get texture in base tile map. You're bullshitting me. Tile map. Tile map. Ctrl F, get texture. Texture. Map to local. This is not what I have. Get no tile map, get texture. There is no fucking get texture on the tile map. Godot for how to get a texture from the tile map. Get tile specific texture, not the whole tile map texture. I want to get the whole tile map texture. Pulling texture from tile map. The function is called tile get texture and tile set. Alternative find tile get cell. I really want to use get cell on tile map. There is also find tile by name. That tile set the tile get texture 0 to get the texture from the tile ID number 0. I don't want to get the specific tile. For fuck's sake. Godot, how to get a texture from the tile map. For fuck's sake. Oh my god. There isn't a function called get texture on the tile map. How can I get the texture of the tile map? Apologies for the confusion, Godot doesn't direct function to get the texture of a tile map. Now how we can achieve this desired effect by using a combination of techniques. One common approach is to dynamically create an image object and render the tile map onto it. Well, okay, I'm fine with that. Then you can use the image as texture for your sprite 2D node. Here's the basic outline. Or tile map, get map tile map, size, tile map get used rect size. Oh, okay, we're getting there. Create an image with the size of the tile map. Image new. Let's just Copy this for now and change this just to get parent. And tile map is gonna be type of tile map. This is gonna be vector 2, I guess. Vector 2i. Create an image with the size of the tile map. Image equals image new. Just so I can see any errors if there are any. Looks like it doesn't have anything. Texture. 2D. Let's see if it works. Well, I think this quadrant size. Ah, fuck it, we'll just not specify it. The value of type vector to I. Render the tile map onto the image. Tile map quadrant size equals size. I think it. What? But the texture is quite to denote. Render the tile map onto the image. Tile map quadrant size equals size. Huh? Image with the size of the tile map. Okay. Render the tile map onto the image. How to render the tile map on as texture? Yeah, how do I render it as texture? Is it possible to get the final texture of a tile map? Yeah, this is what I want. Not the best option is to use a viewport. Kill yourself, young man. You can press your tile map in a new viewport, assign a sprite node with the viewport texture of that viewport, and then use a shader on that. Well, I guess I can use a viewport if I just position it in the right place, like somewhere over there, that so it will cover the entire screen. Fuck, I hate using viewport. Okay. Let's create a viewport. I mean a sub-viewport. The problem is, this viewport, it's I can't change the size of it. I can't move it anywhere. On world 3D. No. Render target, clear mode, else, update mode, invisible. I didn't manage to get this to This doesn't work too. Can I? Section godot new tempo is slightly different approach. Create a new scene, add a tile map, render the viewport to a texture. Oh yeah, use the viewport's render target update mode. How do I set the fucking viewport where I want it to be? Because the viewport it's always on the 0, 0 coordinates. Can't change shit about it. I can change the size, but I don't fucking see it. Oh my god. Oh, for fuck's sake. my god. Holy fuck, anytime I get into masking, I just want to kill myself every single fucking time. Why is it so goddamn hard to do this? Just get this white ass picture and put it on a sprite 2D. How is it that hard? Can I do this without using viewports, please? I don't want to use viewports. Create an image and draw tiles onto it. Iterate through tiles in the tilemap and draw them onto an image. You can use the tile set property of the tilemap, take information about each tile and draw them onto the image accordingly. Create a texture from the image. Okay. Draw tiles onto the image. Okay. For x and range size x, for y and range size y. Cell equals tilemap get cell xy, if cell doesn't equal -1. Then var tile rect equals tilemap tile set get region cell. Okay, this looks more real. This looks a lot more realistic. Bleed rect. Many items for bleed rect call expected at most 3 but received 4. What does bleed rect do? Bleed rect copies source rect from source image to this image at coordinates DST. Clip accordingly to both image bounds. What does it do? It needs source rectangle, destination, vector to I. Copies source rect from source image to this image at coordinates distance. Destination. Can I copy this somehow? Not the entire fucking code. Select all. Copy. Maybe now it will work. I'll just change the bleed rect. Oh my fucking god. Welcome. How many times do I have to... Apologies for the VSL, it's correct argument for the bleed rect function. Here's the correct code. It doesn't need a fucking vector 2, it's supposed to be rect to I. You're still passing the vector 2. Can I just... Can I just fucking... repeat that it's wrong until it changes itself? Okay. Oh, now it fucking changes itself. Okay. Have to just fucking repeat to it it's wrong until it gets it right. No way. Now it's working. Okay, let's see. Fuck the sub report. All my homies hate reports. Okay. Cool. Non-existent function gets cell in base tilemap. It should exist, by the way. As far as I remember. Tilemap should have a function for get cell. Get cell alternative tile. Get cell. I think we need to get cell tile data. where is it? It was on where? On line 17. So cell equals style mode get cell xy. I think we just have to get cell data. Get cell tile data. Where int, where 0, coordinates vector 2i. So if there is a tile at that point, actually I want to have a print, because I think it will shit itself. Yeah, object need. Object null. If cell doesn't, if cell, just if cell. If there is an object, then draw a pixel on it. Yeah, object null, object null, object null, and then it returns style data. Okay. Okay, instead of can we replace this part with a code that just checks if the cell returns positive, then we just draw a white square. On the image. Absolutely, if you want to simply draw a white square, image whenever there is a tile present in the time of cell, you can do that. Here you can modify image set pixel. Oh, here, okay. Image set pixel, xy color 1, and draw white pixel. This is all I need. So I guess this is gonna be in 1x1 range. Oh, god damn, it works. I wanna look at the actual texture, hold on. It's all the way over there. Let me just move it closer. Hope it doesn't crash the game. And actually see it. Oh, I see the tile map. Sprite to do. It should have a texture, I just don't see it. What is the size of this image? Get used direct. It returns a rectangle enclosing the used non-empty tiles of the map, including all layers. Recto I. Put an rectangle with an axis aligned rectangle into this space. Fuck, I don't see the pixels. I believe that it draws them, but I don't see any. Guys, maybe do this image. Fuck. Where's the fucking image? Okay, let's print actually the size. Print size. Is the size right? 107 by 22. Yeah, I figured that. Can I later stretch this image? Can I later scale the created image by 32? Can scale the created image resize method. Here's how you can do it. Image resize. Okay. Resize interpolation. New pixels are calculated using interpolation. No, I don't need any interpolation. Fuck's sake. Image resize as X. Without any interpolation. Let's actually remove the shader material real quick. So, let's see, on the actual tileset rendering, no, where would I hide it? Insets, navigation wares. Fuck. Tileset. Let's just modulate. Oh yeah, I can modulate the layer itself. Okay. Let's see now. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Fuck. Why is that not working? It's supposed to work. I guess it's. I believe in this code. If I believe in this code, then it's supposed to work. It's supposed to like just create a pixel at every. It creates an image the size of a tile map. And then it just, whenever there's a tile on the image, it kills itself. Whenever there's a tile on the tile map, it just creates a pixel there. And if there aren't any, it just creates a transparent pixel. That's it. It should be pretty straightforward. Hold on, maybe I just need to change the order, I don't know. Ding, 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 ding. Who knows? Maybe I really just need to change the order. Get node tile map. Who the fuck? No. Gmask tile map. Let's see. And I still don't see an image being created. I would really love to just save the image somewhere. Can I save the image to a relative path? I just need a quick answer. Save PNG, yeah. Save the image to a relative path, yeah. Let's do that. Image save PNG. Oh, so it's just that easy. I can just save a PNG. Okay, save the image to relative path. Path to your image.png. I'll just save it at res itself. Just exactly here. Res image PNG. Let's see. Boom. It should have been saved. It didn't save. Why to save image? Why? Why did we fail? it should be res image png. Save png. Save the image as a png file to the file.pf. Was it not working? For some reason it returns error. File to save image. He just died. He just fucking flatlined on the spot. If you encounter an error stating failed to save image, it could be due to various reasons. Check the file path, verify directory exists, check file permissions, handle errors gracefully, modify your code, handle errors more gracefully. For example, print out the error message included by save png. Yeah, I would really want that instead of just failed to save image. Print error. Error 1. I mean 1. What is that supposed to mean? Okay, now it prints error 1. What does that supposed to mean? It's just ChatGPT stream all the way through. Insufficient file permissions, file path issues, file already exists, restrictive environment, source path issues, holy fuck. Weren't there like readable save page. Error. I think there was a way to... Error 1 failed. Generic error. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. Godot error when saving an image. Saving a PNG invalid image. Godot 4.0. Can convert image to PNG as far as I know. Changed to... maybe I needed to create a proper image format. Viewport masker, image size X, RGBA. Oh, so he changed that to that. Okay, var new image equals image create equals image dot create. Maybe this will work. Image saved. Okay, let's look at it. And yeah, it's pretty well, yeah, I guess it's correct. Just that I have to move the tiles down somewhere, just like that. They have to be under the thing. Okay then. So it works now. Let's put it all the way over there. And move the tiles. Oh fuck. Like that. I meant to move them. I meant to move the actual tiles. Yeah, let's see now. Yep. Okay, now if you create an image, the image is just that now. I see now. How could I create an image the size of this? Okay. We're getting there, we're getting. I didn't see the texture being actually applied. Oh, yeah, because I changed it to clip only. Now if I disable it... And I guess if I... Don't shoot me. Fuck, I love the blood effects. They're pretty simple, but they just look good. There should be a texture all the way over there. I don't see it. Okay. Okay. I want the size. How? Fuck. Well, I mean, I can just take, for example, red, right? So we will take red as an just the background of everything. So this will be the background of everything. Right? So it will cover everything we have here. And only the green will be used for creating white pixels. So green is the area that is supposed to be masked, and it actually looks kinda readable. That red is bad, green is good. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now I would like to tile data. Hold on, here we get the... Okay, I don't want to save the image anymore. Let's for now let's just save it. I don't want to print the size. What about cell equals get cell tile data? It returns tile data. Tile data is a tile data terrain material modulate probability terrain transpose. Tile data. When receiving tile data, how can I check if this you can see there is IDs of tiles. I think there are supposed to be IDs of tiles somewhere over here. Setup. Fuck, there was a way. I think I can just add a thing called... Where was it? There was like tile data. Fuck. I think it was... Yeah, custom data layers. We can add name, color, type of string, right? Yeah. Let's just do like that. Oh yeah, and here we can... 0 is gonna be red, this is gonna be green, this is gonna be blue. So this is the way that we can get the fucking... what tile is it? How can I get the tiles custom data from the tile set it originates from? Oh, continue, please continue. In Godot you can access custom... Assuming tile map is a reference to tile map node, yeah, we're doing all of that. Tile set, tile get ID. Tile map, tile set, tile map, tile get ID, tile get... No, let's return back to this code. Okay, but I want to implement it in this code. In the part where we do cell equals tile map dot get cell xy. Iterate the retrieval of custom tile data index. So struggles here. If tile data, tile map, tile set, tile get, tile ID, tile map, tile get. Okay. Okay. If so, then thank you very much. If so, then var custom data equals tell data is fuck, let's just copy all of this. Tell ID equals tell map tell get xy, tell data tell map tell set tell get tell ID. Custom data get, it's called color. Let's just print color for now. I mean, let's print custom data. See what happens. Easy. Tell get xy. Get so. Get cell tile data. This is what I'm using. Oh, I can just use this, get custom data. I can just use the get custom data straight from the cell. So, var custom data equals, fuck, cell dot get custom data and wire name. What's wire name? 0. I just color. Oh. Yeah, I think I can just do that. Get custom data, wire name string. Let's see now. Yeah, red. And sometimes there is green somewhere. I don't see green. Why don't I see green? It's supposed to be red, green. Maybe it was just too much. Fuck. If custom data equals green, print green. Does it see the green tiles? It sees the green tiles. Okay, then we are good. I think it was just an overflow. Okay, then let's just see if custom data equals green, then we make this pixel, and else we make a transparent pixel. Okay. Cool. And then let's look at the image. Epic. This is exactly what I wanted. What am I fucking saying? No. Where's this image? I didn't see it. Only... So, make it full transparent. Sprite 2D, clip children disabled. It's supposed to have that texture, but I don't see it now. For some reason. So in remote it's supposed to have, I think I know the issue, texture. If I just did this image, still doesn't have it. Oh, hold on. Alt F4. Oh. Oh, yeah, I need to change. No, oh my god, it's offset. Centered, not centered. Here. Maybe this will make it work. Well, now how it should work, it creates an image out of the tilemap using this method, and then I enable lip only, and then I drag the blur decal, and it only draws inside the thing. Let's now try clip and roll. Fuck, where's the image? I think it needs to wait a bit. Await texture create from image. Or just wait that and then apply the image. Fuck, it's still not creating. It's still not putting the image. It saves it. It does everything right, but it's not save it. Don't save it. Holy shit! It's 80 megabytes for a single texture. Oh no, it's 80 kilobytes. Create a texture. Fuck. Why is it not applying? Maybe I need to make another name. New text, for example. Self.new text. Texture equals new text. Type of image texture. Right? Why is it not applying itself? Sprite 2D having issues applying a created image on itself. Godot. What applies shader? Disparate animation. What the fuck is this? Okay, so in game I don't see the texture I created on the sprite. The texture is set in the parameters. If I check the sprite through the remote, but in game it's invisible. Maybe I need to place a weight somewhere. Maybe I need to place a weight for somewhere. If you're setting the texture correctly but still not seeing it in game, there are a few potential reasons why this might be happening. Sprite visibility, sprite position, texture dimensions, texture... No, it's... I should be able to identify sprite isn't visible in the game. It's not an issue in sprite itself, because when I apply the texture myself, it's visible. I think it's something in the code. He just died. The texture is really but not dynamically in your script. It should that there may be an issue. I will check the textures being loaded correctly from the file. Texture application, make sure that the texture is being applied to the sprite correctly, ensure that the texture property of the sprite has been set to the loaded texture. Texture format, texture scaling error, handling resource path. Fuck, I think... I remember having this issue earlier when I was helping Keko. I do need to wait for this stuff. Fuck. Which key? Which size? I don't know, maybe I need to just wait. Wait their size. Wait the creation of an image. Oh, I can't. Just wait. I don't know. It's still not there. Fuck. Sprite 2D. Can't see texture when applied to script. Godot. Oh, okay. Adjectives mapping of strings to string reference. What? Item get not display set texture. The texture expects a texture, but you're passing a string, so you need to load the texture before. Fuck. It's a correct image. Why is it having trouble applying itself in game? Image PNG. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that. It fucking doesn't for some reason. Fuck, what if I made a stupid thing where I where I save the image and then I load it. Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe this is the issue. Maybe I don't need to do all of this at all. Maybe I just need to texture equals image. Why not? And it doesn't work again. Easy. Image texture. Oh, maybe because yeah, maybe because of that. Var new text equals image texture dot create from image. Maybe because of that, I think. Yeah. nailed it. Sorry for the loud clap. But it works now. Cool. Now we can just change this to flip only. And we finally have a fucking mask. I've only spent 2 hours making it. But it works now. I think the rest of the code is going to be easy. Okay. Now let's just make these decals. And yeah. So first of all, I need a gmask tilemap. Gmask. And let's add a group bgmask. So we're gonna have a group called bgmask and now I think I'm gonna make it on the blood, Ctrl-Alt-O blood effect, on the blood effect script. I think I'll just use this, and we're gonna have an export var decal scene effect scene. So when we create all this, when we are firing, after emitting all the particles, we are gonna make var new decal type of blood decal bg equals decal scene dot instantiate. Yeah, and then we're gonna pack this. We're just gonna fire it. New decal dot fire. I mean fire. Okay, and then I just gotta create some new. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot. New decal. I mean get tree. Get first node in group bgmask dot add child new decal. Then new decal the global position equals global position. New decal global rotation equals global rotation. And after all of that, we are gonna fire it. Okay. I just gotta change it to one shot. Okay. We can kinda already start doing the thing. Close other tabs, and we're just gonna Ctrl-Shift-O, blood effect big in, blood effect small in, just like that. And the decal scene is gonna be blood decal big in for now. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. Paste, paste, and it's supposed to work now. Let's take a grenade, let's take a pistol, and come over here, buddy. And it works now. It creates a shit ton of blood, holy fuck. I like it. Wait, the rotation is fucked for some reason. Yeah, why the rotation is fucked now? Wait, is the... What's wrong with it? Oh, here, buddy. So it's the decal. What's wrong with the decal effect not being in the right direction? Yeah, like it's always turned that way. Also, it lags like shit. Holy fuck! I didn't think it would lag that much. Yeah, CPU particles lags like a lot. God damn. I have no clue how am I gonna fix that. I just like the way it looks. But yeah, it lags the game runs like shit now. I don't care. What I care more about is why the rotation... mine is global rotation, fuck. Yeah, it's always stuff like that. Hey, shoot me. Shoot me, buddy. Oh yeah, it works now. It fucking works now. Now if I take something more cool, like a Galil. Oh, it's still not gonna shoot me. And it already runs like shit. But it looks fucking awesome. I like the way it looks. Now I just quickly have to make some new decal effects. Ctrl-Shift-O, decal, blood decal big in. I just gotta make the same thing but out. Strong cone in. Let's just Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. And we're gonna call all it out. This is out too. Out. So all this is out. Just rotate it 180. Yep, and we gotta... I think we have to change the amount a bit. For this I would use 64. And this one would be 128. And maybe actually the initial splash is not gonna be that big. Maybe a bit less explosive. Also, I would probably change the initial velocity a bit. Yeah, so it's more like that. Now let's change it to one shot. And so this is blood decal big in out, and I just wanna kill myself. The branch is seen. Of course I can fucking save it. X blood decal big in. This one is supposed to be called in out, because we just changed the original, and this one is gonna be called in. Where I delete all of this, turn it back to 0 degrees. Oh, it's supposed to be 0. Right? And I turn it back to the original values. So this is the big splash, the initial one, the in, big in. This is big in out. Epic. Now, third body effect big in out. This would be it. In out. Body effect body decal big in out. Let's see now how it looks like. We can test it with the Galil. Oh yeah. This looks fucking amazing. Still don't know why is there... Oh, I see now. I see. Radical big in out. Yeah, I have to keep the time scale the same. Oh, it already runs like shit. God damn. Looks fucking amazing though. Okay, now I just gotta make small decals. So let's just duplicate this. Ctrl CV, I mean, fuck, Ctrl D, for decal small in, and how are we gonna make it small is by well, first of all reducing the amount of particles here, 128, and here it's gonna be just 64. So it's already a lot smaller, and I think I can just change the scale here, 0.7, and here to 0.72. So this will be smaller, and also we change the initial velocity. Is it actually different for all of them? Kinda, yeah. Kinda is. So these ones are the same. This one I would change to just to 1000. And the big splashes I would change to. I'll probably keep it the same, but change the amount to 32. Yeah, this looks more like it. Decal small in, small body effect small in. Oh, it's small in. Okay. Small. Decal small in, and then I just duplicate this and make it in out. And also I forgot, this has to be one shot. Now the way we do in is by just changing all of this. Okay. Also, this is supposed to be out. I'm sorry. Oh, it's actually supposed to be all the way over here. Forgot how it works. blood effect small in out, it's actually supposed to be minus 46 pixels. So this is the out, minus 46. Now if you shoot it, bam. It just creates a splash like that. So this is supposed to be in, not out. Cool. Now decal small in. This is still supposed to equal small in. Yeah, I'm just polishing this stuff up. And then this one. Okay. And 38, I think it was. Now this one's supposed to be a bit weaker. So 64 and just 16. I think 32. We can keep it at 32. And I guess that's it. Time one shot. And then you just get a blood effect small in. This is equal small in, big in out. Big in out, small in out. Okay, we gotta change this. Small equals small in out. And I guess that's it. Now we have decals. So for example, if I get shot with a pistol, it's a big decal. What the fuck is that? Blood effect small in out. Blood decal small in out. Blood effect small in. Blood decal small in. What? It's supposed to make this. Why is it creating a fucking fountain? Why is it making in outs? It's not supposed to do it. No. Go fuck away. Yeah, why is it creating in-outs? It's not supposed to. Yeah, see, it's supposed to create small things. Hold on, let me print a new decal.name. Let's actually print that. Node to D13. Shout out to Node to D13. Decal scene. Stanchiate. Yeah, it's gonna crash. What? You might get index name on base spec scene. Okay, let's just equal scene. Fact scene. For fuck's sake, can you tell me the fucking name? Name. Tell me the fucking name. What do you call big in out? Why is it spawning big in outs? What? First of all, it's not supposed to be in out. Okay, let's just check again. What effect big in? What effect? Oh, I think this is why. Big in. What do you call big in? What effect small in? Fuck. Small in. Big out. In out. Big in out. Small in out. Small in out. Okay, I think it was just creating big blood effects. For some reason, I don't know why it's creating big ones. If I am receiving small damage, but whatever. Okay, let's see. You know, it creates blood decal big. Small. So it creates big ones when I hit the head, yeah, because it's a big damage. Let's plop a grenade over there. Epic. But yeah, you can create a fucking bloodbath using this. Okay. Oh, also, I need to change the modulate. Blood decal effect. New decal dot modulate equals modulate. So when we hit the body, the greedy, it will spawn a transparent blood effect. Yeah, you can see here, but when we hit the head, and especially if it's my head, then it goes all over the place. Yeah, we can see it now. Cool, I fucking love seeing this thing, it just gets painted everywhere. And if it's just the body, it's transparent, if it's not the body, then it's not transparent. Cool, epic, even. Let's explode these motherfuckers. Bam. Okay. Guess we are done here with this user particle system that also stops and maybe drips down a bit. Well, I haven't made the drips, but what I need to fix is use GPU particles instead. CPU particles run like shit. So yeah, this is what I would need to use. But for now, this works pretty fine. You can also see it if I take the damage from a grenade, if I just explode it in my hands. Oh, we even get a lot of blood because, yeah, because it exploded. Oh, hold on, it's gonna shoot me. No, I can't do anything. Of the pistol. Just fighting two enemies turned into a fucking bloodbath. This is epic. Very nice, very epic. So the blood is over the weapons? No, it has some layering issues. Nothing big there. God damn. And you can see exactly the directions. They were shooting me from down to the bottom, and this is how I received my hits. Also, I wonder how melee weapons will make blood. So let's kill that guy with the pipe. Come over here, bitch. Let's take his pipe and go down. So it just creates these effects. One last thing I would want to test before we end the stream, because it's about time we do that. How it's gonna look when I take fall damage. I think it's gonna just fly up. Finding test. Let's copy the BG mask from here. Let's open the fucking C0, A0. So, level BG mask. We gotta put it all the way over there. So now let me quickly make this mask. I think I'm supposed to let's see, I would layer this, make this layer 20 even, so I can see. Oh, I'm not doing with anything. Yeah, it would be something like that. And delete that. So now all I gotta do is just draw some rooms. Oh fuck, it's a bit wrong. Oh, it's not. Yeah, okay, like that. So I just gotta draw some rooms. I have no clue why it lags so much when I have big tiles like that, but whatever. Whatever. Okay. Fuck. So I finally found a way how to use tile mobs as masks. Just create an image from them. Yeah, all the way up to there. Okay. Right. And I guess that's it. Now we can spew blood everywhere. So this is just the masked area. Thankfully it doesn't lag when I deselect the tile map. Oh fuck, wrong scene. F6. Let's see how it works. It takes its time because it's creating an image. Yeah, now it really had some serious loading times. Okay, let's see now. And let's flow from here. Bam. Well, I think it's fine actually. Yeah, again we have some layering issues, but that's whatever. Okay, let's complete the level and then I will end the stream. Fuck, I actually fall down. It's like in some Mario game you can, like in Mario Maker you can see where all the players died. If you die, like if a lot of players die in a single level, there would be a lot of markers for where they died. And this is kind of the same, you will be able to see all the places you fell to. Okay. What if we make a blood puddle over here? Bam. Can't wait to make actual intricate gore systems in the game. Well, intricate I mean just... There's gonna be a couple areas of the body, like the back, the front, and you will be able to kinda destroy them. Yeah. But that's for later. Okay, so they're just standing there. Everything is in blood. It runs like shit. Fuck. Is my CPU dead? Holy fuck. Yeah. Well, that's a thing I definitely gotta change in the future. But for now, guys, this is it! We made some cool effects. My game looks more and more like an actual game with every day. And maybe sometime I'll even got a alarm going off. So maybe, yeah, maybe one day it will be in actual playable state. I'm happy to release it on Steam and announce it and all of that shit, but for now it's not ready. So stick a finger up your ass. I forgot the saying. Wait for other streams, which are gonna be probably on Friday if I don't have work that day. We'll see. But yeah, for today, guys, that's it. Tune in later and bye.